I'm going to be making a kale salad, and I'm going to also add regular iceberg lettuce to it. Kale is really good for you. I just want to roughly chop it and add it to my bowl. Got my kale. I like to trim out this stem. Just chop it up. Watch your fingers. Some beautiful red bell peppers. Okay, I've got some green onions. I'm gonna chop some of that up. Okay, and this is a little trick that I've seen on Homesteading with Sadie. I'm going to plant these and they will regrow. Okay, now I'm going to add some cauliflower. I'm just going to roughly chop it. For some reason, whenever I eat kale salad, I want like a sweet dressing and like a sweet taste to it. So I've got some cinnamon pumpkin seeds that I made, and I'm just going to sprinkle some of them over top. Gives it a little crunch. You could do pecans too, or almonds. Whatever you like. These are really good. Okay, now it's time to make the dressing. Okay, I've got some craisins. I'm gonna sprinkle some of them over the top of my salad. Okay, and for the dressing, like I said, I want a sweet dressing, so I'm gonna do a honey mustard. Start off with just regular yellow mustard. And then I've got my lemon juice. Smells good. I'm going to add some avocado oil to the mustard. Some lemon juice. Add some honey. This is where the sweetness comes in at. Just kind of drizzle some honey in there. Some pepper. A little bit of salt. And then you want to take your whisk. Whisk it really good. After you whisk it, I'm going to taste it. Make sure it's sweet enough and has enough salt and pepper and stuff in it. Use a little bit more honey. Oh yeah, that's good now. I just want to put the top on this and give it a good shake. Okay, now it's time for the cheese. Extra sharp cheddar. I think cheddar goes good with the sweetness of the craisins and the cinnamon, pumpkin seeds, and then the honey mustard. I can get it open. I just want to drizzle a little bit of my dressing over top. Just a little bit will go a long way. And there's my cold kale salad. It looks delicious. I'm gonna give it a try. Get me a fork. Make sure I get a little bit of everything. I got a pepper. I got some cheese. Let's see, Get some pumpkin seeds. There we go. Mmm. That's delicious. It's delicious and healthy. Hope everybody has a great day. Please stay well and safe out there. Thank you.